For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
On the 26th of October 2020, BJP leader Narayana Rane claimed that Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput was murdered. He even claimed that the actor was killed over Disha's mysterious death, who also he claimed was murdered. He did not stop there, but even claimed that one of Shiv Sena's leaders were present at the time of Sushant's killing. Rane made these statements during a press conference.
मौर्या के घर में रोज पार्टी होती है और लिमिटेड मंत्री उधर प्रेजेंट रहते हैं। वो उधर जाने वाले मंत्री में से एक मंत्री 13 तारीख को सुशांत के घर में गया था। वहां जाकर फिर वहां से ही सुशांत के घर में गया। दिशा साली है ना, और इसकी दोनों की हत्या हुई है।
According to BJP leader Narayana Rane, there are certain ministers who attend parties hosted at Dinu Maurya's residence. One such party was hosted on the night of 13th of June as well. Rane claimed that after attending the party on 13th of June, one of the ministers from the party had gone to SSR's house, after which the actor was killed. Rane claims that SSR knew details about Disha's alleged murder and due to which he was killed. These statements from the politician has brought back hopes in SSRians of getting justice for the actor. One of SSR's family friends, Smita Parekh, reacted to Narayana Rane's statements and said she believes in CBI and she knows that the central agency will do justice to the late actor. Narayana Rane too showed confidence in CBI and claimed that the investigation team is conducting probe in the right direction. In another development, SSR's friend Ganesh Hivarkar, who is relentlessly fighting to get justice for his friend, has initiated another protest in Patna.
प्रणाम, मैं गणेश हिवारकर। अगर आप ऐसा सोच रहे हो कि घर पे बैठे बैठे आपको जस्टिस मिलेगा सुशांत के लिए, तो गलत है। अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कि जस्टिस नहीं मिलेगा, तो भी गलत है। आपको जस्टिस मिलेगा, हम सबको जस्टिस मिलेगा, लेकिन उसके लिए सही वक्त पे सही जगह पे आवाज उठानी पड़ेगी। ये सारे नेता लोग पहले सुशांत के लिए आवाज उठा रहे थे, अब अचानक बंद कर दिया बिहार में। अब यहाँ पे ये इलेक्शन में लग गए। अब सिर्फ ये होता है कि इलेक्शन के वक्त ही ये लोग देश की जनता का सुनते हैं। तो हमें 28 अक्टूबर को पटना में सुबह 10 बजे गांधी मैदान के गेट नंबर 5 पे पहुंचना है, भारी से भारी मात्रा में। कोई शोरबाजी नहीं, कोई भाषणबाजी नहीं, कोई नारेबाजी नहीं। हमें सिर्फ सुशांत का फोटो लेके उनसे ये पूछना है।
Sushant's family, friends and supporters are leaving no stone unturned to get justice for the actor. Another report claims that the AIMS panel had submitted the forensic report of the case to the CBI, terming it a suicide. This was contrary to the panel's head Dr. Sudhir Gupta's earlier claims that the scene was not forensically suitable for evidence. With so many developments in place and the CBI's ongoing investigation, it remains to be seen what the investigation team reveals at the end.